I'm highlighting here like you have to start in a very different way. It doesn't mean that you can start dancing here. You can start doing something different which is completely irrelevant. People do it. But it is for informal platforms. 7 to 8 years experience in corporate industry. I've worked in so many multinational companies. If you start in this way, in a very glorified way, people will give you attention. So what I mean to say is not to use the mediocre, the very common words. Start something extraordinarily. If I say, hi everyone, it's me Tehseen Raza and I would like to give you a presentation on this context. Again, it sounds very mediocre. And if I say, hi everyone, it's me Tehseen Raza, an ex-employee of Indigo Airlines, the director of English Cafe, and an English language trainer. If I start in this way, you'll give more attention. Likewise, you have to think about your uniqueness. What happens generally in public speaking or in presentation round, people start with quotes, a kind of short story, a humorous things need to be presented while initiating or before the commencement of any speech or presentation. Why? So as to get the special attention. Once the audience get connected, thereafter you have to ultimately express the core part of yours, the actual content that you actually want to deliver. आप thank करते हैं, तो ये जो घिसा पिटा लाइन है, first of all I would like to thank my teacher, thank you all for giving me this golden opportunity. तो ये तो बोलना ही नहीं है, इसके बजाय आप डिफरेंट बोलो. अब ये तो सब बोल रहा है, कुछ डिफरेंट बोलो. अबाउट धोनी, MS धोनी. पहले थोड़ा सा सस्पेंस क्रिएट करना, उसके अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में बताइए. सो आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्रेस अबाउट द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल कैप्टन इन क्रिकेट हिस्ट्री, जिन्होंने हमें वर्ल्ड कप दिलाया. 1983 के बाद हमें वर्ल्ड कप दिलाया, T20 का पहला वर्ल्ड कप दिलाया. क्रिकेट जगत का जितना भी फॉर्मेट है उन सब में हमें ट्रॉफी दिलाया. हु इज नन अदर देन द कैप्टन कूल, द वन एंड ओनली MS धोनी. तो आप सीधे MS धोनी नहीं बोले, समझ रहे हो, उसको थोड़ा ग्लोरीफाई करना. एस्ट्रोलॉजर, क्या बोलेंगे? एस्ट्रोलॉजर. प्लीज टेक ए सीट. थैंक यू. अंबिका, you should improve a little pronunciation of yours when you are expressing like proper. So don't pronounce like proper, it's proper. So proper needs to be pronounced properly, not proper, right? And you were repeating some sort of words like okay, okay, okay. So if you want a little affirmation from the audience side, so use some different alternatives. Are you getting my point? Is it okay? Am I right? Isn't it? But if you start speaking everything repeatedly, then it sounds mediocre. You would have noticed one thing, guys. They have started their presentation with special quotes. So why do people do follow such things in terms of giving their presentation? Why? So as to get a special attention. You are sitting here inside the classroom, but not everyone is present here mentally. Okay, so as to connect the audience, what happens generally in public speaking or in presentation round, people start with quotes, a kind of short story, a humorous things need to be presented while initiating or before the commencement of any speech or presentation. Why? So as to get the special attention. Once the audience get connected, thereafter you have to ultimately express the core part of yours, the actual content that you actually want to deliver. Is it clear? So no doubt you can start your presentation with some special quotes, but make sure it has to be relevant. It doesn't mean that you have a different kind of context to deliver here and you are expressing some sher o shairi based on love story and all. So it must be relevant, as Ambika highlighted. But what she was lacking, she was repeating every single like a special term, okay, okay, every time for the affirmation from the audience. So that need to be replaced. Well, in the yesterday's session, you would have been given some sort of words. So don't go with the ordinary lines, ordinary words, because now you are in a state of saturation level. neither your performance is declining nor your performance is inclining very well. So ultimately you have to improve yourself. Even this particular word, improve, the term improve can be replaced by different words. So always use this kind of technicalities. This tactics has to be followed by everyone. For instance, let me make you understand by giving an example. If I have to say like you have to improve your English. So rather saying you have to improve your English, you can say you have to upgrade your English. You have to level up your English. You have to improvise is something else. Okay, and I have seen most of the people use it in a different context. Improvise is something which is being managed all of a sudden, right? And people use it for improving. Improving is something different. Improvisation is different. Improvisation means when all of a sudden you have prepared something. आनंद फानन में जब किसी चीज़ को मैनेज कर लिया जाता है, अचानक से किसी चीज़ का बंदोबस्त किया जाता है, उस सेंस में हम लोग इम्प्रोवाइजेशन यूज़ करते हैं. Clear? So come here, you can initiate like hello everyone. Generally what happens? You come here, hi everyone. So don't greet like that. Use some special lines. Hello everybody. So rather saying this, just break the mediocrity and don't use the mediocre, the ordinary sentences words. Start your presentation in a very different way, in a very charismatic way, so that you'll get the special attention from the audience. Like, hello presentees, hello attendees. People use hello ladies and gentlemen. It can be used, but you have to understand, as per the audience you have to use this. Right? People also say ladies and ladies. But as per the audience you have to express it. It can also be used. But it varies from platform or it varies from audience to audience. Is it clear? You can also say, hello handsome boys and beautiful girls, but it sounds a bit informal. Whenever you are in formal situations, you are giving a presentation and all, so try to avoid these things. I'm highlighting here, like you have to start in a very different way. It doesn't mean that you can start dancing here. You can start doing something different which is completely irrelevant. People do it. But it is for informal platforms, informal situations. Hello presentees, hello attendees, hello one and all present here, hello audience. Nextly, what do? You introduce yourself, who you are. Afterwards, you introduce the topic, what the topic is to be delivered here. So you can say like, it's me Tehseen Raza. Generally what happens? You come here, say, hello everyone, it's me Ambika. So don't say directly who you are. Rather pitching the name of yours, highlight some sort of achievements of yours. Just think about the USP of yours, the uniqueness of yours. Thereafter you can highlight the name. For example, if you start speaking, hello everyone, it's me Rahul here, and I would like to give a presentation on so and so. So if you say like this, on the other hand, if you start speaking like, hi everyone, it's me Rahul, a topper in MBA department in my university. So when you initiate in this way, it will be more impactful. It will be more influential. People will give you more attention. Why? Why so? Why? Please answer. Why?
Because of the uniqueness.
Because you have highlighted something different. And prior you were expressing, hi everyone, it's me Rahul and I'm going to express something related to you. So it sounds very ordinary. Is that clear?